Hi children, this is the English activity for Friday the 15th of May. Okay, today is when you get tested on the 20 words that you've been given this week. When you are told the words, listen carefully to each word and put them alongside the number. Okay, and the activity is placing those 20 spelling words into alphabetical order. So this is where you write your spellings in the order that you've been given, and after that you can use the spelling activity where you can arrange the 20 words which I've listed here, 20 words, and put them into alphabetical order. I've given you a clue for the first one is answer, and the last word is woman, but which order do the other words go in? So if you can write answer, and underneath you put the next one, and I'll give you a clue, there is another word beginning with ah. Okay, good luck there. So the main activity is to recognise and compare poems. We're going to describe a thunderstorm scene using your senses. Highlight verbs and powerful descriptive phrases and language in a poem. Answer reflective questions on the storm poems, and write own poem about storm and illustrate. Okay, so the first thing, we're going to focus on this image of a massive storm taking place over a city. If you look carefully at how the storm is attacking almost the city. Anyway, so when you do that, imagine being in that storm and write some descriptions of what you would see, hear and feel. So using your senses, what you really hear and see, how you feeling. Okay, and then we're going to go on to the first poem of 3, and this one you're going to read carefully. Practice reading the poem out loud until you read it with real expression. It's titled Thunder and Lightning, and the instructions are you've got to underline the verbs and highlight the powerful language. Okay, so blood punches through every vein as lightning strips the window pane. Under its flashing whip, a white village leaps to light. On tubs of thunder, fists of rain, slog it out of sight again. Blood punches the heart with fright as rain belts the village night. By James Kirkup. Okay, so remember, underline the verbs, highlight powerful language, phrases. Second poem is called That Stormy Night. If you read those verses, and then you can answer questions which will be on the next page. Stormy night questions. Okay, these are quite reflective, so revert back to the poem if you're not too sure. Trying to be as descriptive as possible and answer fully each question. And then the third poem is Where Would You Be? So there's a comparison there of where would you be. So where would you like to be, inside or outside in the wild? You write 3 to 5 sentences to explain your reasons. You could illustrate a scene from the poem. And the extension, which one of the 3 poems do you prefer? Out of Where Would You Be, That Stormy Night, and Thunder and Lightning, and give your reasons. You could illustrate a scene from the poem. And then the extension, which one of the 3 poems do you prefer? Can you write your own thunder or storm poem? Illustrate it, read it and share it. Okay, good luck.